Namaste, Vanakkam, Sat Sri Akal or Adab. Welcome to Fraudsters Chef. Today is the Mystery Box Challenge, where you must use special ingredients or techniques for cooking your dish of the day. I can't wait to find out what's in this. Let's begin. Wow! Aha. My favorite. That's exactly what a fake job offer does. Lures you with a position at your favorite MNC with a high package. Insightful. By the way, I have my dish of the day in mind. Sandwich with a dip. Love the balance. Neither too much nor too little. This is my suggested mantra when you apply for jobs as well. Share only what is necessary and don't pay money to fasten the application process. Sariya? You remember that if an HR calls you with a high-paying job offer at your dream company and asks you for money at any step, then first fact check with these tips. Verify the authenticity of the email ID and caller. Never click on unverified links sent by HR. Check the current open positions on the company's official website. Samjhe? You know, you are truly a master of keeping everyone safe from frauds. Thank you. Vese, how about you join me in keeping India safe and keep your family and loved ones safe from fraud?